Interactive computer-based training resources can bring expert tuition to remote areas when experienced teachers are not available. Since 2002, Item Interactive has been improving their technology to a point where it is now attractive, easy to use, and a great way to learn. We have concentrated on health, medical, and surgical resources, but this technology could be used for any subject. Enough of the intro, let's see how it works. Item Interactive resources are provided on a memory stick like this one. Just insert it into your computer and this screen will appear. Just click on the Start icon. Introductory pages appear, then a screen asking you to choose a button from those at the top. On the left are the language buttons. Here there are 5, 4 local languages plus English. This resource was made for Laos. Clicking a button sets up the language for the whole resource, both narrations and the text. Of course, this language can be changed at any time. On the right-hand side, we have 8 function buttons. The first is How to Use, a simple list of instructions. Video Selection has a selection of video chapters, plus the 20-question pre-quiz. The Transcript. Medical Terms is a glossary of terms. Here's a manual on the subject, additional references, and posters. The final one being the exit button. Let's go to the main button of this resource, which is the video selection button. Notice that the default language is the local language, the Lao language. We can change it at any time by simply clicking one of the others. The content is the same, it's just the language that changes. When first using the resource, the person should complete the 20-question quiz. This is a pre-quiz that sets a baseline for the student. As we will see, the 20-question quiz is a multiple-choice quiz. There are 4 choices for each question. These are narrated, so when a user is having trouble understanding the written text, they are able to listen to the question and the choice of answers in their own language. Let's try this.
What makes a healthy village? 1.
If we change to any of the languages by clicking on the language buttons, we get a different narration.
บ้านแบบอย่างด้านสาธารณสุข
This is the Lao language.
1
This is Hmong. Khmer.
บ้านแบบอย่างด้านสาธารณสุขเป็นหยัง
And Lao tongue. When an answer is chosen, the program moves to the next question. It stays within the language group you selected. At the end of the 20 questions, a score is given. Users are encouraged to do the quiz again after watching the video and to compare their scores. Hopefully, the second time round will produce a higher score. Moving on to the video chapters, you see we have 9 video chapter buttons and a play all button. You can choose any of these in any order. Let's play one. Again, any language can be chosen at any time by clicking on the language buttons.
A common meal in many villages.
The video can be paused.
Nutrition.
It can be fast forward with the scroll bar at the bottom. And the time can be noted. Here we are 2 minutes 15 seconds into the nutrition chapter. At the end of the video chapters, there are sets of 4 Q&As.
What does a pregnant woman
You're
need
given
to eat
4
to stay
possible
healthy?
answers for each question.
1.
This time,
Nothing
though,
but fruit,
you are told
because
if you
fruit
are
is good
right
for you
or wrong.
and won't-
Obviously wrong.
Question 1. What does a...
Also wrong.
Question 1. What does... Answer.
As you see, when the correct answer is chosen, a little extra information is given to reinforce the answer.
Not just pregnant women. It is the best way to stay healthy.
This central button is clicked to move to question 2, then question 3 and question 4.
After giving birth...
Let's look at some of the other buttons here. The transcript button. If we're watching, say, the nutrition section and we want to read what is being said, clicking the transcript button displays the words. Clicking on this TV button at the bottom will take you back to the video, which continues from where you left it. If there are words you don't understand, the glossary of terms, the medical terms, can be useful. Moving along, we have the manual in the Lao language and in English. Clicking on any of the chapter buttons takes you to the text. On to references. Here we have a short list of references for this particular resource. Facts for Life is an excellent reference, 175 pages long, in English and in Lao. Then we have posters. You can move from poster to poster using these buttons at the bottom. You can scale the poster using the slider at the top, or you can jump to full poster or full width of poster using these buttons. The transcript, manual and references also can be scaled or printed as required. Going back to the video selection screen for a moment, there is another element we should explore here. As the video plays, it reaches points where pop-ups will appear. That's the tag in the lower left corner. Clicking that tag will provide additional information in text form. These are the main parts of the item interactive resources. Additional elements such as course material, jigsaw puzzles and internet access points can be added when required. This technology is a great way to gather together all important information on specific subjects into one place and to provide it in an attractive and useful way.